Hey, Alan Spector back with you. And every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, we bring you Olsen on Law with veteran Orlando attorney Tom Olsen. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
All right, our topic. If you die and your children inherit your money, will their spouse get some of it if your child gets divorced? Tom, I know you've done thousands of wills in your 40-year legal career. Most parents leave everything to their children. How often do parents include the son-in-law or daughter-in-law in their wills?
Alan, in all my years of practice, I probably had less than 10 times when a client included their son-in-law or daughter-in-law in their estate plan, so it's very rare. Usually the client leaves everything to their child with a statement that if that child dies before them, that child's share would go to that child's children, which is my client's grandchildren.
So do parents worry that their daughter-in-law or son-in-law might end up with part of their money?
Alan, it's a very common question asked of me by my clients. So, yeah, there's a big concern about it.
Okay, let's assume that a son survives his parents, inherits his parents' money, and then he gets divorced. Will his wife get some of what the son inherited from his parents?
If that son keeps that inheritance in his name only, whether it's a bank account or a piece of property, and then he gets divorced, he's going to leave with that inherited asset. If he puts that inheritance in a joint account with his wife, or he adds the wife's name to the deed to the inherited property, and they get divorced, then she's going to get one half of it. So I tell my clients to have a very quiet conversation with their child and say, look, someday when I pass away, you're going to inherit things from me. My lawyer says keep those inherited assets in your name only.
All right, if you have legal questions about this or anything else, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olsen on Law show. You can hear that Saturdays at 10 a.m. right here on News Radio WFLA. Tom, thanks very much. We will see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olsen Law Group in Orlando.